Hello, everyone. My name is Daniela. I'm the director of MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory and the Andrew and Erna Viterbi Professor of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. I am also a robotics researcher, and I am delighted to be here with you today to share how we have worked with Kentucky entrepreneurs here in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Let me start with a bit of our history. I first met Executive Director Sam Ford through his work with MIT's Open Documentary Lab. Over a demo of foldable robots, we began discussing the impact of robots, AI, machine learning, computing, and other technologies on the work of the future. This was the eventual impetus for a conference we hosted at MIT that explored these issues. Through these discussions, I was introduced to the Kentucky entrepreneur community, and Sam later connected us with another forward-thinking Kentucky leader, Rusty Justice of BitSource. Now, Rusty founded BitSource in 2015 with the goal of turning coal miners into data miners. How great is this? Now, this sentiment was later formulated into a technology business. And the idea behind the model was this: bring jobs to Kentucky so residents would not be displaced after the large coal mine closed in Pikeville. I had the great pleasure of meeting Rusty when he came to our campus and did a fireside chat with MIT's Vice President for Research, Maria Zuber, who grew up in the Appalachia mining country. We were very impressed with the innovative spirit and work of BitSource and the other Kentucky startups, and we wanted to contribute. So we embarked on an event to further the collaboration across entrepreneurship, research, and educational sectors. In 2018, we collaborated with Rusty on his goal of training co-workers and other Kentucky professionals to learn how to code. We used the MIT App Inventor, which is a platform aimed at teaching introductory programming and building skills in web app development. The MIT App co-inventor Hal Abelson summarized the objective very clearly, namely to help unemployed and underemployed workers in rural Kentucky learn computational thinking. Computational thinking is a vital skill for today's digital economy. By building up such capabilities, we can help show the Kentucky workers that they have the aptitude for a wide range of opportunities, including roles as programmers, website builders, and app developers. Shortly after that meeting in 2018, a team of educators from Kentucky went back to their home state to teach introductory programming classes using App Inventor. The goal was for students to create usable web apps that incorporate some of their existing domain knowledge from previous professions, such as mining and emergency response. As we kick off this event today, I think about how scientists are using AI for everything from diagnosing disease to predicting food shortages. Robots will take us to the next level with manufacturing because manufacturing faces a big question today. How do we go from mass production to mass customization? Well, robots and computation will enable this. Just like smartphones have democratized computing, we believe that 3D printing and computation can democratize manufacturing. Now, in robotics, we can take our work even a step further by integrating soft materials to bring biomimicry to our rigid-bodied robots. But at the same time, as researchers, we must be thoughtful and intentional as we bring these new technologies to the table. Computation, AI, machine learning, and robotics are central to much of our C-cell research. And I'm optimistic about what the future holds. I believe AI will improve our lives in many ways, some of which we've only begun to imagine. But my optimism rests on the belief that we, as educators, business leaders, innovators, and policymakers, we have the ability to take action, to control the challenges that this technology creates while harvesting the opportunities. I see the coal miners turned coders as a critical piece of the puzzle of bringing the technologies and the work of the future to the state of Kentucky. The potential for innovation in the coming years is boundless, as we must keep up with the pace of progress. As we aim to satisfy the burgeoning demand for adequate technological solutions, this group will vastly contribute to the best and brightest corners of the field. Congratulations to Sam and the Kentucky team for being the first U.S. regional cohort selected as REAP. I wish Accelerate Kentucky great success.